Hello guys, so welcome to my AI automation channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of the free workflow template that I published on n8n platform a few weeks back, right? So it's the AWS IAM access key rotation reminder automation workflow. So it's target to the DevOps engineer, the SRE team, the security or compliance officer, or any AWS account owner who want to automatically detection of the stale access key to ensure the security of your AWS environment, right? So here's how it works. It's very basic and simple. So first, it's like running on the weekly scheduler. So, and of course, you can customize depending on your preference. It can be daily or even hourly. And then when it triggers, you the built-in n8n not to get only IAM user within your AWS account along with the access key associated with each user, and then it will figure out like what is the access key that's like stale. So in my definition, it will be like more than 365 days, and it will be flag, and it will be sending a reminder to the responsible person. It can be security officer or any member of your team that take the ownership of this, and then via Slack, right? And then they gonna got all in related information about the IAM account, the access key, where it created, and then like so they can take further action. So it's fully automated and customizable, and it totally free. So if you want to use this, just go to n8n template set for this one, and then like or access my profile. You can also see it, and then you can using it. So you need, of course, you need an n8n instance, right? So it can be a cloud one or it can be the self-host instance. Yep. So next I'm gonna walk you through the workflow. So this is how it look like when you create the when you import the template, right? There are few steps. Start with the trigger. It's with weekly scheduler, like I said, but like you can fully customize to hourly or daily depending on your preference. And then here I'm using the built-in node from AWS, the users for AWS, right? And then just scroll down to IAM, and then from here you have different actions to working with the user or the group in IAM, right? So I'm using the get on user, and then if you want to use this, you need to configure credential. So I'm gonna show you how. You click here, create new credential, and then the few things you need to fill in. First, the reason. Secondly, this access key and a secret key, right? So let's go to the advanced console, right? I'm having my advanced console here, and I'm gonna create the I have the service account here, and then I'm gonna create an access key. So let me delete one, deactivate, and then delete one, because maximum we only have two, so we need to delete one. Okay, and let me create an access key. Okay, it can be like the third-party services, and I understand it. Next. So n8n automation workflow integrations. Okay, create access key. Okay, and then I have access key. I'm copying it and then put it here. And then another one, I have the secret key. I'm copying it and put it here. Okay, so awesome. I'm saving it as for the East US, right? Okay. And then I have like AWS account, right? User, get many, and return on. So next, I have another like customized user access key using the HTTP request nodes. So I'm gonna get the list access key, because like we don't have the built-in node in n8n to get the access key out from the advanced environment. So we need to create a custom HTTP request and fit the advanced account that we created in the previous step, right? To get the information. So the action is list access key, right? The user is the user from the previous step, and the person. That's it. And then we gonna filter out the inactive key, right? So if it already inactive, we don't need to taking care about that. And then in the next step, we are going to use an if statement, right? We check for the access key, the age that it bigger than 365 days. Then we send a Slack message to the like admin, something like that, right? Access key is 15 days old, rotation, something like that. And then, yep, the admin acknowledge about that, and then they can actually doing some further actions. Otherwise, we do nothing. So very simple and straightforward. And let me running it. Okay, so I'm gonna execute workflow. Okay, so you can see that we get we get 3 users in total, including the one like n8n, and then I get the user access key, right? So and then like we filter out the inactive key, so we keep one item and we discard two, right? So we have 3 access key from the user, but like 2 of them are already inactive and only one active, right? And then we identify, so check the dead time before and it not, right? So it doesn't make anything, but like to demo, let's reverse this, right? E after let's say it is E after execute the step. Yep, so of course is before, and we change it into E after. Okay, then execute the step, and then sorry, no, uh and it doesn't go to the floor branch. No, it's not after today minus winner. Okay, so we execute it, and then now it's go to true path, right? Because it is after the today 365 days ago, right? And then it will send a message. So we're using the Slack, not channel, not file. So maybe I'm using the let's using my bot credential. COC, right? Execute. Okay, good. So we are sending the message, and I'm gonna check it on Slack real quick. Yeah, so thank you very much. Yeah, this is how the workflow work, and then if you interested, so check out the workflow and then give it a try. So if you have any problem with that, let me know in a comment. So thank you very much and have a good day.